South Dakota is home to 56 state parks, attracting millions of visitors from around the globe.
However, for many locals in the communities near those state parks, they serve a much different purpose than just attracting tourists. Austin Goss tells us about efforts to rebuild and rejuvenate Lake Hydenwood State Park in Selby.
In May of 2018, Hiddenwood Lake State Park was destroyed by a flood. Now, almost 3 years later, locals are very close to bringing it back online.
Right where you're looking is where this will all be lake.
Lake Hiddenwood State Park in Selby did not always look like this.
Had anywhere from like 10 to 15 to 18 inches of rain in one evening, and it washed through the Hiddenwood Creek, took out the dam, consequently took out the road, and left us with no access to the park.
With four-wheel drive all but being a requirement to get into the park now, many in the community and the state wondered if opening it back up would ever be possible.
We thought something would happen a little earlier than what it did, so when we just decided to, a bunch of us decided to get together and we put the foundation together because, to be honest, I said it just wasn't moving fast enough, and we just decided that we want this back.
Now, roughly 2 years after the Lake Hiddenwood Foundation was formed, people in Selby are a mere months away from doing the once unthinkable. Using the money raised from fundraisers over the years, the foundation will build a road to a new entrance to the state park.
That's going to be, like I said, the big project is getting that road. We got to put a 9-foot culvert, 8-foot culvert in there, and like I said, it's just going to cost a lot of money and to get that in.
While much work is still ahead, including eventually building a new dam, reconnecting electricity, and many more community cleanup days, the new road is the reopening of Lake Hiddenwood State Park.
My daughter got married out here. There's been a lot of weddings out here since that. It's just everybody has kind of come together because we all have growing up memories, raising kids, having school picnics, church picnics, Boy Scouts. Everything that happens around the neighborhood kind of happens out here.
The foundation hopes that their state park will be back open for business by midsummer. In Selby, Austin Goss, Dakota News Now.